Hello everybody, how are we all? We're off up Morrisons today. I gotta go and get some stuff for tomorrow's video. And the only place that does it by us is Morrisons. Well, it's online, that's what it says. Anyway, so we're gonna go up there and we're gonna have a Morrisons cafe dinner or something. It's only cheap, isn't it, Morrisons cafe? So that's what we're gonna do today for a video. Yeah, so going into town first, and then we're going to pop up Morrisons. I think the last time I went to Morrisons for a cafe, Nats was okay. Mine was a bit. I can't remember what it was. I'll have to have a look, so I don't order it again. Can't 100% remember what it was, but I think Nat had a fry up and it looked nice. But anyway, yeah, but that's where we're going anyway, and we're going to see what they do. And see what's what. So off to Morrisons we go. Right, we're in Morrisons. We've got a cappuccino each. I've had, where is it? Fish and chips. Nat's had full English breakfast. Well, fish and chips was, let me tell you first, fish and chips was £7. Full English breakfast was £6. And the lads had a margarita pizza, it was £5.50. Now, with a margarita pizza, it's just been and got it off the shelf. So how much are they on the shelf, probably? Well, I'm going to check after, see how much they are on the shelf, because they had none in stock. And it was only one of their basic ones, the Aldi ones, Morrison ones. So how much are they on the shelf? I will go and check after. Well, he's charged me £5.50 for that, and they ain't £5.50, just to heat it up. So let's have a look. Anyway. Can't show you a lot because we've got a lad here as well, he's not coming on camera. But I'll show you the food when it comes, anyway. Food's here, don't look half bad actually, mine looks alright, my fish looks nice. Let me show you. There's my fish. Nice and crispy, look. Better show you the lads because he's eating this quick. There's your margarita pizza. £5.50. Quite expensive for that. So there's the fish, chips, peas, there's Nats, all English. With the hash browns look nice, and a bit of bread. There it is. Looking forward to that fish now. Let me try it, let's bring you down a bit. I don't need to move over. Cut it in half. Got a bit off here. Let's have a listen. It's quite chunky as well. Can't get my camera right, guys, I do apologise. Hope you can hear me, it's a bit loud in here. But it's a cafe, isn't it? Nice crunchy batter. A little bit saltier. I'm going to put a bit of salt on that in a minute. Over the chips. Just their frozen chips, aren't they? I can open this. I've opened it this time. I've opened it. Look, all down my trousers, all down my shorts. How's yours, Bob?
It's nice, very nice.
Nice.
Yeah, it's lovely. They're nice, hash browns.
The hash browns are nice. They look nice, the mashed browns, actually.
They are nice.
All plain sauce, all down mixed sauce, mate.
You in? Cornflour.
Huh?
Still, you never got it on yourself.
No.
Could have done with a serviette.
Oh yeah, some serviettes. We're going to get some. We're going to get some serviettes. Get a bit of salt on. Give that bit of a taste. It's lacking a bit of seasoning in the fish, but the batter is. Lacking a little bit of seasoning. And we'll try again. That fish is okay. Not bad at all. Nice and thick. Bit of salt on there, or a bit of lemon on there if you like lemon, not me. Should have got mushy peas, you know, I do like mushy peas. All in all, £7 that. That ain't bad, £7. I could have done with a chunkier chip. I think if you had chunky chips. All in all, right, I'm going to go and eat it. Go and eat it and I'll let you know in a minute. Oh, I'm full. Oh, that's filled me right up. Filled me right up. I quite enjoyed that actually, to be honest. Once I put a bit of salt on that batter. Oh, and that had about 5 pieces of bacon, didn't you?
Yeah, they're all stuck together.
Except most of hers. The lad said his pizza's far too salty. I'm going to go and check in a minute now to see how much it is on in the oil for my Morrisons margarita pizza. And I'm going to have a look, just see what the price is, see what they've charged you extra. You know what I mean? I know it's all at Morrisons stuff, but I thought you're having a pizza like that for like £5.50, you'd have thought you'd have got a bit of a better margarita one, wouldn't you? You know what I mean? Yeah. Instead of their own basic one. That's what I'm going to have a look, just have a look at what the price is. Might be shocked really, might be about £3, but I doubt it. Yeah, so that's it really. Can't really show a lot because the table's too small and a small table. Very, very small, so I ain't got nowhere to put the camera. And we're right next to the tills as well, so I don't want to be filming like that in case I'll catch someone putting a card in the machine or something, you know what I mean? So anyway, yeah, we're going to go home now. I've got a parcel to open that was sent, so I'll do that at the end here now. I'll go and check how much that pizza was. So I'll see you in a minute. I've been looking for that pizza, I can't find it. I'll have to look online, see what the sort of price is. Can't find it there at all. Maybe they've run out and that was the last one, I'm not sure. But I'll check online in a minute and I'll put it up here, wherever it is. And right, back home and I'll open this parcel. Oh, I'm back home. Got absolutely hammered down, the heavens opened up, got absolutely drenched. Been back about 20 minutes or so now. It's poor, just piled down, and as soon as we walked in the house, it stopped. Got soaked, didn't have a coat or nothing. Never mind, eh? Oh, never mind. So I thought, well, we'll open this box today. I don't know if it's off. Link to the PO box in the description anyway, if anybody's interested. to send me anything. So let's open this up then. Gotta be careful, there's only a PO box address on there, that's all. Just make sure there's no one else's address inside it, that's all. Let's give it an open and have a look. Looks like an Amazon package, or it's just in an Amazon box. We'll have a look anyway, see what it is. Got a little note, let me read it first. Put my glasses on. Hi Nat and Keith, hope you like your gift, plus the dog. Love watching your vids. Such lovely people. Love Sue. Sue, thank you so much, Sue. Something for the dog as well, eh? Let's have a look what we got. There's our Roxy, one of her favourites. Oh, Roxy likes them. Her Sizzlers. Definitely, she'll love them. Thank you, Sue. She'll definitely love them. Oh, one of Nat's favourites as well. Nat's gonna like that. Cream egg bars. Oh yes, and we got another cream. We got Nat's favourites as well. Mini eggs. Nat loves the mini eggs. Thank you, Sue. Nat's gonna be chuffed with them. And the dogs as well. The dog likes them as well. How do you know, Sue? Wow, thank you so much. And then we got oat crackers. Oh, I've never had them before. Oat crackers. Hand baked and delicious. Oh, let's have a look at them. I've never had any of these. It'd be nice for a dip, wouldn't it, these? Let's open one of them up. Have a little one for now. Nice bit of cheese on there. I like them. Not going to eat them yet because I've just had my fish and chips. Sue, thank you so much. Again, I'll give one of them to Roxy now while she's here. Let me call her in. Rox, come here. Come here. Look what Sue's got you. Come here. What's Sue got you up? Here, favourites. Oh, you love these, don't you? Oh, here she is. Oh, what are they? What are they? What are they? Oh, yeah, Roxy's favourites. Ready? Oh, I'll get you one. You're going to sit. You're going to sit. Sit. Speak. Speak. Say thank you to Sue. Speak. Good girl. Go on then. She's off. Thank you so much, Sue, for that. Yes, she'll definitely love them. The dog will. And that'll love them. And I'll have them with a bit of cheese and a bit of butter on or something. Lovely. Thank you so much. As I say, guys, you want to send me anything, the link's in the description. I've got all my stuff for tomorrow's video. She's coming back for more. Can't eat all these in one go if you give them that. One more. One more. Off you pop. Go on then, no more now. You're not standing there and eating it and having more. She's not doing that. Put them out your way. Yeah, tomorrow's video. I've never done it before, so it's going to be the first time I've done it. Tune in to watch that. And it's to do with pastry, so see how we get on. Till tomorrow, thank you so much, Sue. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.